Deeki, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to be continuing my first Final Cut Pro tutorial. In that tutorial, we covered how to drag and drop out clips and how to drag and drop out audio. So, we dragged out this little video of these seagulls flying in slow motion and added this music. I'll leave the links to these in the description below if you don't already have them downloaded. So let's play it to recap. Okay, there we go. So there are two main problems with that. The first one is that the clip is really long. It's around 26 seconds long. And the second problem is that the audio is a lot longer than the video. So when the video gets over, it just stops and turns to a black screen and the audio continues without the video. Both of these problems are easily fixable using a tool called cutting. Cutting is one of the most useful techniques that you're ever going to learn in video editing. So to cut a clip, you're going to select the clip you want to cut, hover over the part you want to cut, do Command B, and that splits the clip. Move your cursor to the second part that you want to cut, do another Command B, and delete the part you don't want. There's also another easy way to split a clip from the edge. So if you want to get rid of that small part at the beginning of the clip, you can just drag the edge of the clip towards the center as far as you'd like. But my favorite way is using Command B. So let's watch the video again. Yeah, that was fine, except the part between the first half and the second half was really choppy. We can fix this by clicking on that little bow tie button. That's the transitions button. And then a whole list of transitions comes up. Don't worry if you're not accustomed to transitions, because we're going to talk a lot more about them in our next tutorial. But for now, we're just going to drag out a cross dissolve. A cross dissolve transition is really simple, yet it adds a lot to the video, and it's great for seamless transitions. So let's watch it from before the transition. Did you see how smooth that was? That was great. Okay, so we can split audio the exact same way we split video. We hover over the audio, click on it, place our cursor on the part we want to cut, and do Command B. Then delete the unwanted part. Yay, the video and audio end at the same time. Except the audio ends a bit abruptly. See, if you listen to it carefully, the audio just ends there. So if you hover over the audio, you'll see that these two little dots at the sides of the audio appear. Hover over the one on the right and these two little arrows should appear. Drag it to the left a bit. I like to go to around 8 or 7:30, but it's up to you. And that fades out the audio. So let's watch it from here. It's going to start to fade out now. That was perfect. It ended really seamlessly. It's kind of weird how those birds just freeze when the clip's done, and it doesn't look natural, and we can fix this with transitions again. And we're going to drag out the transition called Fade to Color. And we're going to drag this out to the end of the clip. So let's watch it with the transition at the end. Perfect. That was a whole lot smoother. Now it's time to export our clip. We're going to click on the little export button, go to Master File, and I'm going to title it Seagulls Flying Updated. And you can change the description. I'm going to change it to Updated Version. I'm going to go to Next, and I'm going to save it to my Deeki Edits folder. Now we can open up Finder, go to the folder that we saved it to, and it should appear there. Now double click on it. So as you can see, it used to be 26 seconds long, but we just chopped off 6 seconds, so now it's only 20 seconds. Okay, that was perfect. Thank you so much for watching. You know the drill. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day and stay tuned for more videos soon.